It's Nicole. Okay, I've got all these lovely items right here. And I'm going to now figure out how to apply them to my face. Took some before pictures, and I'm going to play this little video and see how it goes.
This is the Riman Ritual. Start by applying 3 to 4 pumps of the Purcell Cleansing Oil onto your dry face to remove oil and makeup. Massage in and rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water.
Okay, I'm going to do that part. 3 or 4 pumps. 1, 2, 3. 3 seems good enough. Ooh, okay, cool. So we're starting with this oil. Okay, let's put the lukewarm water. Snow Enzyme Cleanser. That's this one. The other one is this Purcell Cleansing Oil. That was the first one. Oh, and it looks like I got enough of this. How much did she say to use?
2 to 3 times a week for a deep cleanse. Apply this to your face, massage it in, and gently.
I've got the Snow Enzyme Cleanser. Put this on my face and wash. Do little circular motions. I'm also going to do my neck. Oh, I like this stuff. Look at that. That's really foamy and fun. Oh, I love it. Okay. Oh, it's so great. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to rinse it off with lukewarm water. Okay, I'm still rinsing. Yeah, okay. I'm going to use a little paper towel.
Use the active cleanup powder 2 to 3 times a week for a deep cleanse and gentle exfoliation. Lay a nickel-sized amount into your palm, add warm water, and rub until it becomes a foam. Gently massage onto the face and rinse thoroughly.
Comes a foam. Okay. That is the active cleanup powder. Rinse your face again.
Anytime your skin needs a hydrating your face.
Well,
You can also use this throughout the day anytime your skin needs a hydrating refresher. After spraying the oil mist, apply a dime-sized amount of the calming balance gel onto your face to calm and soothe the skin. Now we're going to boost
the Vieton Oil Mist. Okay. Now we're going to do the calming balance gel. We're just going to put a little bit. We're going to put this on. Oh yeah, here we go.
To calm and soothe, we're going to boost Booster,
Serum,
Booster. Spray the Dermatology Booster EX to infuse your skin with powerful products for intense hydration. After boosting, apply 4 to 5 drops of the Dermatology Serum EX to nourish your skin with potent actives.
So a little bit right here, a little bit right here, a little bit right here, a little bit right here. Okay, we're rubbing that in. It actually has like an airtight thing when you put that back in there. That's pretty cool. So this one is the Dermatology Serum, but that's the say of the Boo Say Boo. And this Boo is the booster. We got the Boo, we got the Say, and then we got the Boo again. The Booster. Got it? Okay. Here we go.
The Active Cream EX. Apply a generous amount of that classic.
This gave me this cute little spoon. It's adorable. And I'm going to apply a generous amount. Okay. And now let's rub it in. Ooh, it's very nice and thick. And it's like, oh, it really smells amazing right now. Okay, this is my face. Almost 50 years old. And then it came with this stuff right here. It looks like lip stuff. She got her really big lips or something. Mine aren't that big. Okay. This is multi-stick balm. Okay. And then there's this, and it is a sunscreen, and it does not have that toxin stuff in it. So now let's take my pictures, my after pictures. So if you would like to take the skin quiz, go for it. I've put the link, you know where it is. Click on it and then just scroll to the bottom and take your skin quiz. And then let me know if you have any questions and I will keep you updated too. I am really excited about this because I am getting up there in age and I need to make sure that this stays lovely. Anyways, peace and love.